Hey YouTube, it's Noah here, and today I have a product. This is not a sponsor of today's video. It is a Ring doorbell. Hold on. I do something. That's my shorts. I was doing something to get something off my Ring. Dirty. So you have the Ring, okay? Make sure yours has been in the setup mode. So if you have the second generation and you have this kind of black, okay, let's wait till you load. You have this kind of black. If you have the second generation, you'd have this kind of plaque with magnet on it, and you want to even it. And I like how you can even it how you want it. And then over here, take the ring, and then you take the ring, you take this, if it's like this, you want to pull that out, flip it around, and stick it back in. I'm sorry if you hear noises because I'm outside. And you want to take your screwdriver and then do this, unscrew it. And you want to pull one out. Let me get it. It's in my hand, okay. And then you just after you have it all set up and charged up, take it and then take the screws. You took it in to charge it. Make sure you have the screws. Next, you want to take the device and take it over here. It's kind of turn out low, and you do not want. Let me look. This is how I want my ring to be set up as. Then you want to stick the screws up here. You want to look under at the screw. Let me get it even. Okay. And you want to screw with the screwdriver again so you get it tight. Let's see. I need to hurry before I go eat. Kind of got messed up. Let me put you down for a second till I get those screws in. That's how you do it. I'm going to be talking to you till I get it all tightened up, and then we'll push the ring button. A good thing I don't have the chime yet. I'm going to get that. But when I get the chime, it'll ring inside my home. So that's a good option because I don't know if someone's going to come by. So I have them all tightened up. No, don't worry about that. If you hit the button, that's the ring button. See? Kind of messes with the sensors. You can tell that I dropped it. Here's the camera, my print. Let's see here. Let me just clean that. You can zoom into the camera. And then here's the light. And if you hit it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.